Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Firebase in Shopify customer account extensions, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Firebase in Shopify customer account extensions, start by setting up your Shopify development environment. Make sure you have a Shopify partner account and create a new app. Install the Shopify CLI to scaffold a new app. Once your app is created, navigate to the app directory in your terminal. Next, install the Firebase SDK by running the relevant npm command. After the installation is complete, initiate a Firebase project in the Firebase console. Go to the project settings and copy the Firebase configuration details. In your app, create a new file for Firebase initialization. Import Firebase and initialize it with the configuration you copied earlier. Set up authentication by enabling email/password sign-in in the Firebase console. Return to your app and set up the authentication functions. Create a user registration function that takes user inputs for email and password. Use the Firebase create user with email and password method to create users. For logging in, create a login function utilizing the sign-in with email and password method. Make sure to handle errors effectively to give user feedback. Once users are authenticated, store their session data for persistent access. Modify the customer account extension to utilize Firebase authentication. Ensure your front-end components reflect the authentication state correctly. Test the authentication flow to ensure it works seamlessly across your app. Review the connection between Shopify and Firebase to troubleshoot any issues. Confirm that user data is updated in Shopify once authentication is successful. Finally, deploy your app to verify that Firebase authentication works on your live site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.